Hello everyone, so today I will be unboxing the Libanovo Dynamic Economy Chair. This is the Omni fashion and it's the black one. Anyone you have, either the gray, the black or the green one, which is the newest one, it's the same process. So today I'll be explaining how to set it up from A to Z. Let's go. So straight from the box, you have these beautiful details. So you can see right here, it has the picture of the chair and different accessories. We have the step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for our reference. First time I'm seeing something like this that has all the details and a very clear picture. So we have the toolbox. This is another manual. I think this is more of a details manual. These are really very nice graphics over here. So you have to remove this. Okay. So since I'm using this, I'll put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we have here? We have the battery. All right. So I like to go step by step. So this is the step 1. Pull this inside. Okay. That's it. 2, 3, 4. No. Pull this inside this. Okay, I think that's it. Yep. That's it. Easy peasy. So step 2, install the back support bar. So we need to install the back inside this. All right. Step 2, pull this inside. Okay. Right there. So we're on step 3. More like taking this up. Installing this right here by taking this bolt. This one, pull inside here and screw it. That's why we have this screwdriver. Not so tight for now, I guess. This is okay. All right. So we're done with step 3. The only thing we're doing on step 3 is to tie these bolts. We have 4 of them in the box. So you just tie this to this, okay? For step 4, see this 1 to here. This and this. We have to align it inside this. This and this. So you have to drop it in a way that this and this drop to this. So easy peasy. Just gonna take this and put this here. All right, right there. This is meant to go inside here, right here, like this, and put this here. Take this out a bit, like this way. See, Just push this up, and then you can see I'm tightening this with this. So just one click. All right, right there. Just tighten this part here, this wheel. From here, we're done with step 4. So let's go to step 5. So the next step is to install this screw. So there's a screw that's supposed to go here. So one goes here. When you turn the chair around, there's another one that's supposed to go here. And then we're going to do the next one. So I'm putting this back. I took it off the other time just to be certain. Alright, so there's a trick right here. When you're trying to install the third bolt, you can see it's really far away, and if you want to bolt it, you can just push it. You push this button, so this and this can be more closer to each other. When you push it, you see the handle move forward. Sorry, the hand. When you push it, you see the hand moving forward or back. So you have to push here. Now it's really more close. Make sure you get that part right. So for this part, you use this bolt. So one of the things we have to do on this step is to take this USB-C cable and pour it inside here. Step 6, we need to set the tail tension knob, which is this one. It's super easy. You have to like pull it right here. Okay. Right here. That's it. That's it for that step 6. Let's go to step 7. So right now we're now on step 7, and we're going to install the backrest right now. So there's a button right here under here. Then you need to press and push forward. So in order for this one to come out, so see, it's out. By putting this here. So once you're in this part, you put it back in place, just the same way you took it out. Like, try to create a little space right there. You can see this adjusts so this and this can go inside. Okay, so we're done with this. Now what is next is the headrest. Step 8 is to install the headrest and the battery. This here, let's see. Yep, right there. Wow. So for the battery, there is a slot here. And just snap it in.